Alright guys, this is your boy Ghost Fighter 2Ts, and I got my little one with me, and we're gonna take a look at some supercars, so let's go. Come on, come with me. Alright, let's start over here. Come on. With the M3. You wanna stand by it? Go stand by it. I'll take a picture of you. No, right here, right here. Stay right here. Yep. You ready? All right. You got the M3. Really sweet. Whose car is this? Oh, that's nice.
It's his brother.
Yeah,
Don't let him fool you.
It's sweet. That's like the closest you can get to a supercar without having to get a supercar, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
pretty much.
You got the A8. Oh. You helping daddy? This car, guys, I don't know if y'all ever seen one in person, but it is the sweetest looking when you see it in person. You see them on TV, but when you actually like look at it in person, it's a whole lot different than looking at it if you were looking at it on the TV, man. It's really a good experience. You ever can go to an Audi dealership and see one, it's definitely really nice, man. Doesn't get any better than that. And then you have the Ferrari, of course. There's so many Ferraris. I can't even point out which one it is. There's so many of them. That's probably over at least 50 or 60 different types of Ferraris. F-150, 250. They got so many models of the Ferrari, it's not even funny. I don't even know why they made so many Ferraris. I don't know if that makes the value of them go up or down, but they have so many Ferraris, it's just like pick and choose. There you go. Come on, Livy, don't get mad. Look at the road is. That is a sweet ride. Really nice, man. Comes with nice bucket seats. I don't think I ever liked a Lotus until this came out. I mean, it really has that. I'm pretty sure it's at least about 15 to 20 inches longer than it used to be. It used to be really short. It looked like they extended it and made it about 15 to 20 inches longer. Look at that, though. It's a sweet ride. Look at this. You only get to see this normally on G. Look how big the wheel is. Isn't that a big wheel, Bumbo? Look at the wheel.
Oil change and all that, you do that all by yourself.
I built the entire car. I built everything on this car. So yes, I changed my oil.
And then you got the infamous Lambo. Look at that Lambo, y'all. That thing is sweet. See that bull back there, that raging bull. It is an awesome ride.
I don't get in here.
No, you can't get in this one, baby. I don't think you can. So low. It's definitely not ideal. Come on. It's definitely not ideal for everyday driver. But they're really sweet cars. Oh, it's got the nitrous. Someone was no, you cannot get in it. You cannot get in it. You can't get in that car, baby. You can look at it though. Look, it has some roll cages. Look at the wheels. I know y'all probably want a front view. Come in, baby. The McLaren 750. This thing is Car is so amazing, man.
Get you back on this side.
Oh, so you can't do them?
Yep, not these ones. Look back over here.
Alright, so they don't want people to scratch up the car, so we'll do it for them. Oh, go ahead. You can go up by.
I would dividing these 2 seconds. I would agree with we don't want to really fall on. So you have to angle it in, something like that.
I mean, if we stay on this line right here, I want to hear
Yep. Cars.
I mean, they only cost $1.
I know. I know.
That's probably the sweetest. I like that as much as I like the Lambo. Come back, baby. Don't go over that way. I like this probably as much as I like the Lambo, man. That is a sweet ride. And this is the 720S. Sweet ride, man. Sweet ride. Oh, you fine. I'm vlogging. It don't matter. People gonna walk in front of you. It don't bother me at all. All right, man. Well, there's all the cars. There you have it. This Ghost Fighter 2Ts. And we're signing off. What, baby?